Okay, so welcome to the laser cutter in D05. It is actually in the prep room, so you shouldn't be in here if somebody is operating the saw, and there should only be one student, maybe two students with a technician, ideally operating the machine, just to make sure everything's okay. So how do you operate the machine? Well, the first thing you need to do is turn it on. So you turn the laser on here, so you flip that switch. You'll hear it kick into life and it will start to initialize on the LCD panel here. So initializing, and the loading bar will go across the bottom. The extraction then needs to go on. It says here laser extraction. You turn that on and you'll see this should come on here. It should still be on next to it. So it's like an isolator for it, but we only use that switch there. We don't ever touch this one. This should be just under 5. So it's 4.75 at the moment, that's perfect. The other thing that needs to go on, so it's 1, 2, and then the third thing is the compressor over here. This has a tube, which you'll see follows all the way up and around. This clear tube goes behind here and into here, into the machine. This stops the machine catching fire, so it's incredibly important. And all you do is pull this lever, okay? And as you pull that up, towards you, the compressor kicks into life. Now it's very, very loud, so I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to set the laser up and then I'll turn it on when I need to. So you open the door, it's on pneumatic pistons, so you should be able to just lift that up. Now it all depends on the type of material, the thickness of the material. We're going to be doing card for our models, so I'm going to put some card into the laser cutter. It's incredibly important that you make sure there's not much movement in the material, okay? We need to set the height of this bed. This is the laser bed, this honeycomb bed. We need to make sure that that is the right height, okay? So what we do is we press the Z axis, right? So we press Z and you'll see it goes over to the left-hand corner. And in the machine, there should be this contraption. The bottom part should go flat against the machine, against the material on here. And there's a little lip, I don't know whether you can see that, just there. And that should sit just perfectly below this square block here, okay? So it should fit there. If it doesn't, and you need to lower the bed, you come to the arrows here. And as you press those, you'll see that the laser bed has gone lower, and we're much, much lower now, so we're miles off. We want to be here, you can see the gap underneath, so we need to make sure that that is set correctly. So, I'm going to put the bed back up, and a little tip, if you want to make it go slower, because it sometimes goes up and down quite quickly, if you press select, it will go up much, much slower now. Right, so we can line this up, make sure it's the correct height. Which it is there. And take that contraption away and pop that just there on the left hand side. Press Z again and the laser will go back to the origin.